Inflammation inside the body can make chronic pain worse and occur more often, and many foods promote such inflammation. Avoid the following inflammation-causing foods for more effective chronic pain management. Scientific research has shown saturated fats to trigger adipose, or fat tissue inflammation, which is known to make arthritis inflammation worse. Pizza, cheese, ice cream, red meat, full-fat dairy, and desserts made with white flour are major sources of saturated fats. Any kind of vegetable oil and partially hydrogenated or hydrogenated oils that are used for frying food should also be avoided. Frying turns these vegetable oils into bad fats that are inflammatory to your system. Sugar comes from sugarcane, but it is far from a natural food. Sugar is highly inflammatory and lacks any kind of valuable nutrition. It is also addicting, fattening, and should be avoided. Fruit contains a form of sugar known as fructose, and while unlike table sugar, fruit does provide valuable nutrition. The body still registers the sugar in fruit in the same way that it does table sugar, and eating too much fruit, and especially high sugar fruit, can cause inflammation in the body and exacerbate pain. High sugar fruit includes oranges, mangoes, and pineapples. Alcohol is metabolized by the liver, and it places a heavy burden upon this organ that weakens its functioning and therefore disrupts other multi-organ interactions to cause inflammation. Drink in moderation only. Omega-6 fatty acids are necessary for the body's growth and development, but they are only effective when intake is balanced with omega-3 fatty acids, since excess consumption of omega-6 fatty acids produces pro-inflammation chemicals in the body. Refined carbohydrates, including white bread, pizza crust, pie, cookies, and pasta are high glycemic index foods that promote the production of advanced glycation end products that simulate inflammation in the body. MSG, or monosodium glutamate, is a flavor enhancer added to food and widely used in Asian cooking and in many processed foods like deli meats and canned soup. MSG triggers two pathways of chronic inflammation, and it also affects liver health. To better manage your pain, eat real whole food and stay away from junk food. Eat foods with anti-inflammatory properties including fresh whole vegetables, soy, onions, garlic, herbs, olive oil, berries, grapes, salmon, nuts, and green tea. Thanks for watching and take care.